sometimes,
you, girl.
I have to do like a color analysis para alam ko yung right shades for my skin. And I love how this shade is so good. Like, bagay siya sa puti ko, it doesn't make me look pale. Parang nagpa-pop out talaga yung color niya and it makes me more beautiful.
Yes, exactly. Alam mo, pag pale kami, sorry for
Pale.
the term, pero pale
Yung
tayo.
pale.
May low-key, parang gusto namin, syempre, parang, I need color. So, put on some color. And that lip color looks so good on you. No wonder hiningi mo sa makeup artist mo. Okay, so let's move on to lippy number 2. I'm curious kung mag-guess mo to.
Oh, this one is the Velvet Lip Cream in Cordelia. Yes.
Okay. According to this, yes, you are correct. Alam mo naman.
Wait lang. Kasi, ito yung isa sa mga favorite looks ko kasi I was wearing a black dress lang. Simpleng black dress, tapos blonde lang yung hair ko. But yung lipstick talaga yung nagdala. Parang nasa kanya yung
Yes.
spot, di ba?
Yes.
Actually, very spring.
That is such a showstopper right
Yes.
there. It's so regal.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. My goodness.
Parang kahit wala ka
So
ng
aesthetic.
kahit wala ka ng ibang suot na makeup, basta you have that in that shade, okay.
No makeup look.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful nonetheless.
Yeah.
Okay.